there is a emergency pointed the civil danger warning by the Altoona police station. There's has been home break-ins and burglars however. There's several murders that humans were killed by their eyes couched out. The suspect is unknown. It will be revealed when the police get there on time. Keep in stay until further notice. Do not approach the suspect. It's considered dangerous as it will harm your life. An Amber Alert is alerted for the entire state of Altoona. This suspect abducted 100 children. Additional. He's already abducted 70 children. Names cannot be found. The suspect who's responsible of this is Sans. If you see him or the children that's described, call 911. Immediately. Do not approach or apprehend the suspect, because it will put your life into risk. Red alert. Red alert. This is no drill. Sans has killed approximately 300 people. Seek immediate shelter. This is not a drill. Left with severe injuries, lock all of your doors and windows. Do not approach or apprehend the suspect, because it will put your life into immediate danger. Administrative message by the Altoona police station. Sans been killed now by a gunshot wound to the head. The mayor of Altoona and the police officers thank you for your cooperation.